Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reserve the rewards for the next season. So in this new update there will be or they are going to new theme. So before we are going to the new theme, new season, please claim the rewards by reserve first in the events banner. So what you need to do is click the events banner, click the feature. As you can see, there are a lot of feature in here. What I want to show you is this game update rewards. So reserve your limited time epic rewards by logging into the game on 7th of September, so you can claim this reward one day from now. So please click the reserve until successfully reserved. And what the rewards you can get in the 7th, so you can get this gold crate coupon, epic credit crate, there are some stuff here, this calling card, and also small credits to purchase item from the store. So please reserve right now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.